Oh, yan na. Ayan na yung ano natin.
Ang naluto na titingnan na. Titingnan na.
O, yan na yung ano natin, lechon natin. Oh, sarap-sarap. Magluluto si Clifford ng ano, lechon karahay. Pork belly. Lechon sa oven. Pork belly. Pero wala masyadong taba. At saka yan, nagluluto naman ako ng bukis. Oh, may spring onion yan. Galing sa garden. At saka may tanglad. Galing din sa garden. Spring onion, tanglad, luya, black pepper, paminta, asin, bitchin. Yeah. Ganyan daw ang matanda pag maglakad. Okay, you walk like old na. Walk like how people walk like that. The old people walking like that.
Look at Daddy's car, white car.
Oh, that is car, white car, no?
Look at that white car.
Orange car, yeah, that's not Daddy's car. Be careful, Nak. Be careful, Nak. Maybe there's a car. Oh, there's a squirrel. A squirrel. And also, there's a bird nest. Andyan na siya, yung ginawa ni Clifford. I-ano na lang bukas. Marinate namin, tapos ilagay na lang sa ref muna. Tapos bukas na lang namin iluto sa oven. Yan. Tapos andyan na rin, luto na rin yung ano natin, bopis natin. Ayan. Ayan, luto na yung ano natin, bopis. Dance na. Oh, galing-galing ah. Dance na. Nak dance ah. Dance anak. Galing ah. Galing ah. Galing ah. Dance na no. Dance na ko. Dance na.
Addadan naman lang?
Addan.
Awan datay.
Ay, sumulay bagbak ngawan. Danom, di dala nagkarga picturean kung kuna. I-open mo malatang aron maging palag ko.
Madama pa din inawan ang kita man. Nabibil masip. Kung kuna, tamuk ko.
I-open mo latang aron. Dance na. Madi na makitagsalan. Nakita na dyan video.
Nagbasip. Awan, walang sa tagtad lang. Isiguro nga tagtad ka. Ano lang nila.
You say hi first, Nak. Tell them your name. Nak. Tell them to subscribe in our channel, Nak. Nak. Hi. Say hi, Nak. What's your name? Tell them to subscribe in our channel. That's our little chef. Okay, now put the egg. Okay.
Okay. And mix it.
Yeah, mix it. And this one.
It's very tricky.
Baking powder. And the baking soda. And the vanilla. And also the butter. Melted butter.
Is that Oreo?
No, it's melted butter.
Is it so hot?
Yeah, it's not really hot enough because. And what else? Milk. And that is half cup of milk already that we put, right? Then we add more.
Yo.
Nako.
Yo, this is getting mushy.
Be careful, okay?
And what do we do into the...
We will put a little bit sugar, okay? Half cup of sugar. Only half cup because it's very sweet.
I just taste it.
Yeah.
Can I taste?
No, because that is sugar. That is. Oh, we put some raw eggs in there.
Mmm. So good.
Okay, and then you mix, and we will put the chocolate chips later. Don't eat now. Why you're eating?
So that's chocolate chips.
Baba ka nga, di kan.
Inaano namin, nagsisinungaling na yung nanay. Sinasabihan hindi chocolate. Pero yung isa naman, that's chocolate chips, sabi niya.
Chocolate chips.
Slowly, okay? And then you put the chocolate chips. Or you want me to help you put that one and you put some chocolate chips in on top?
Yeah. No. I don't need help.
Now you can put the nakarugugi mo taro po mugan na. Sprinkle the chocolate chips. Chocolate bits. Put everything, okay? Not like that, anak. Agtutukol mo't iwaras mo, ah. Alay, waras mo. Kini. Laki. Everything na. Make the other side. The other side. This one. And the other one there. Peng kabil mo mami. Like katam na duma. That's too much chocolate. Okay now. So
Now
what you gonna say first? Tell them. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe button.
Tell them about your chocolate cake. What the your banana cake? What did you put inside? What did you put in the banana cake?
Chocolate chip
Chocolate chips and
banana
banana and sugar, eggs, and flour. And what else? Milk. What else? What do we put there? What did we put there? Butter. Yes. And also vanilla.
But we don't have butter.
Yeah, vanilla and what else did we put? Baking powder and baking soda.
And also we put banana.
Yes, and also we put banana. So now it's ready. We will put in the oven. At kinakain na yung chocolate sa ibabaw ng ano niya. Okay, then we will put in the oven now. Ayun yung chocolate, ay yung banana cake natin. Ayun, that's our banana cake, Levi's banana cake. At saka nandun yung lechon natin. Wow, that's our banana cake over there. And that's our lechon. Maybe we will try to open. Ay, sunog na yata. Mga kabagis, mga kapatid, sunog na yata. Andun yun din, di pa natin nabaliktad. Ayan, nandyan na yung banana muffins natin. Ayan. Niluto ni, ginawa ni kay Levi. Ayan, nandyan na yung banana muffins ni Levi. Pinaghirapan ni Levi. Andyan na yung chocolate muffins natin. Pero, ayaw nang magpakita nung gumawa. Yung magluluto lang kami, nandyan. Siya yung taga, pero pag naluto na, ayaw na niya. At ayaw rin niyang kainin. Andyan, doon na yung natin. Ayun yung lechon natin sa oven. O, yan na yung natin, lechon natin. Oh, sarap-sarap. Oh, yan na. Ayan na yung natin.
Ang naluto na titingnan na. Titingnan na.